Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam crystal home decor items. So what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 tall bud vases. You're going to need 1 mini vase. You'll need 1 pack of these silver candy dishes. You're going to need 2 packs of the round Tealight holders. And I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project. But if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete these beautiful projects. And if I decide to use any additional items, I will list them in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these crystal home decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give these easy DIYs a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.